Good morning, everyone. It's wash day, okay? I think I've not washed my hair in the last 2 weeks. It's going on 3 weeks. Today is the 26th of August. It's time to wash our hair. I have no idea, but right now it's almost 9 o'clock in the morning. So we're gonna find something to eat. My apartment is pretty clean. I really don't have to clean up. But we're gonna eat some breakfast. Honestly, I don't want to film today. I'm holding on. So let's go get the crust off my face. If you know, you know. I have no fruit today, so this is why I got just plain cream of wheat. Okay, I said I'm sorry if you hear the dishwasher going. I decided to run it when I'm vlogging. I don't know why. Anyways, we're gonna have our breakfast here. Normally on my wash days, I don't like to distract myself because I like to eat and watch TV at the same time. But for wash days or study days when I want to be productive, I do not turn the TV on. It's literally a trap when you turn the TV on. So I'm just gonna eat this here and go through some flashcards because my final exam for one of my practicum class is this week and I want to pass. This clinicals is kicking my butt, guys. This is why I've not washed my hair and this is why I'm not here often. Anyways, I'm gonna finish this and go to the gym because self-care is important. Let's do this. We're getting ready for the gym. Anyways, I always go with my long sleeve shirt. I'm going with shorts. I got it from Gymshark. Quite airy, actually. The only thing I don't like about it, when you get a stain in there, it stays in there. So let's put this on. Why is he such a mood? Lunch. Welcome to my humble abode. I want to do a wash and go. If I have the energy, I'll do the whole head. If I don't, my goal is to do just the bottom half, and that's gonna be my hairstyle for a week. I finally got my Miche. Is it Mitch? Is it Mitch or Michi? Yes, I finally got the infamous hair gel. I'm blabbing a lot as usual so I can stall this process, but we are not gonna stall. Last week, I really did enjoy using it on my scalp, so I'm gonna use it again, but I'm not going to squeeze it as much as I did last week because my scalp was still burning. As usual, it's warmed up, it's ready to be used. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna do a little clip for TikTok, so. Now, for wash day today, I don't want to like film the whole thing in the shower. Otherwise, the video is gonna be long. I used my Black is Beautiful shampoo. Then I went in with Cecred moisturizing shampoo. I'm actually liking the shampoo. My sister just bought like the whole kit and she says she likes it too. I did use the Briogeo. The Briogeo, I really underestimated it, but I freaking love it. It melts in your hair and makes your hair soft. So after I ran out of, I think I have one more deep conditioner I want to ran out of. I'm gonna buy this. It's quite expensive. I think it's like 20-30 bucks. I'm gonna buy a big bottle. And the rest of my hair, I went in with the Melanin Pumping Deep Conditioner. This too, at first I was like, eh, but it kind of feels like the Briogeo, but Briogeo is more moisturizing and slippery. I didn't rinse any of these out. I was just layering it on top of each other. I also mixed the deep conditioner with some of this Bond Repair. This time I wanted the conditioner to actually, you know, absorb in the hair. So I basically left it in. I think it's more than 30 minutes now. So I'm gonna rinse it out. I want my hair to be super moisturized and ready for this gel I'm about to put in. extra care. So I'm gonna like bend over my sink and wash it out, but this is what it's looking like. I feel some type of way not going in with any conditioner though, so I'm gonna spritz. Maybe this might be a fail, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna spread the Innocent leave-in conditioner. I don't know what that's gonna do, but it's gonna make me feel better. This gel, so I got the Wild Rose anti-humidity gel. This was their new scent and I was like, I like rose water, so why not? I'm not really a citrus girly, and this doesn't really smell like rose. It smells like medicine. Sorry, but the color is pretty and it has glitter in it. Oh my god, the glitter is actually in it. Let me section my hair even more. Oh, feeling. Another dab, that wasn't enough. I'm not a gel person, so I don't know how I should feel. But right now I feel nothing. They did say detangle your hair before you put it on. Okay, I feel something now. When they say wetted, actually they mean wetted. Okay, I'm gonna finish half and come back. Application wasn't easy, but I think I got it down. What we're looking like. I'm just doing this. I didn't really map it out right. And I'm going to moisturize the rest of my head. My hair, all this is dry. I'm going to use Camille Rose leave-in conditioner. It's a little bit dry at the ends and stuff, but my main focus is to dry the twisties. So I'm gonna, what's this called? Diffuse. I'm so tired. I've been standing for too long. I'm not tired, my legs are tired because I've just been standing for like 4 hours or 6 hours straight. I'm gonna probably see you guys tomorrow. Twisties are dry for the most part. This, I don't know if they're drying yet. The exposed, yeah. The ends are dry, but the middle sections aren't dry. Guys, late is an understatement, but I'm running late. This is the hair. It's fully dried. Fully dried and shrunken, as you can see. There's crunch in the hair, which is okay. It's gonna keep the definition. As you can see, there's a little spots of white things too. I don't know if that's gonna go away. I'm not too mad at it. It's okay. We're gonna see how the week goes. I hope you like this video. I'll see you another week. Take care of yourself, love your hair, love your curls, and kind to yourself. Stay blessed. Bye.